Sing your phones. Good evening, Mr. Fernandez. Kamusta yung background music? Malakas ba? Or hinaan ko? Baka kasi mas malakas yung background music sa boses ko eh. So, yeah guys, give me a while. Sinishare ko lang yung live stream link natin sa mga groups. Right? Para sabay-sabay natin i-analyze yung mga charts na, Philippine stocks. Anyway, for the meantime, please leave your stock request on the I think it's a comment section. Yeah, so please leave your stock request. So once again, Happy New Year. This will be the first official live stream of the Risk Trader brand for the year 2019. Dapat last week or last week, but then nagkaroon tayo ng connection issues. So welcome Russell Hernandez and Andre Maramag. Okay, hinaan natin yung music. Yan, okay. So. So guys, kung may kilala pa kayong mga friend na PSE traders or investors, now's the time to let them know that we are going live. No, we are going live. We're actually live, pero we're just waiting a bit more sa mga gusto pang sumali sa live stream para walang maiwan, diba? But then again, after the live stream, I'm gonna upload the video on our Risk Trader YouTube channel. So yeah, give us a subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications whenever I upload a video. So anyway guys, konting chismis muna tayo dyan. So recently, nabasa ko tong Nico Falsis and Chris Aquino stuff. No, it's a very, very juicy article. Like, this, ito yung simula eh. Then marami mga follow-up na article. So for those of you na chismosa and gusto ng mga chismis, di ba? Tulad ni Chrissy, lagay natin siya sa, post ko siya sa, sa live, yeah, sa, yeah, page ko. Chika Minute. Yun, so currently we have 33 or 29 live viewers, and yeah, we're gonna start soon. For the meantime, sa mga bagong pasok, please leave your stock requests sa comment section. And of course, we're gonna start with the PSEI index. And the music is brought to you by Yan. Thanks, Russell Hernandez. Ayun, mas malinaw, mas maliwanag na daw yung boses. Okay, Edel Patdu. Siguro after the chart request, can you remind me on or follow up me on your concern about the target price and stop loss? Right, so I'm just gonna list down lang natin. So yeah, ito yung, I think the last time I did a live chart request for PSE is last year, December 21, 2018. Then after that, yeah, nagpakasaya na ako. Tapos ngayon, bumalik. So, listing down the chart request. Then, lagay na rin na dito. How to set. Well, I'm sorry, bro. Maybe we'll just stick to chart request muna. No, next time na siguro. Gagawa naman ng mga educational videos on how to set your profit and set your stop loss. CHP. Oh. Jared Odulio, kamusta? Mukhang narinig ko parang may nag-pump ata sa CHP eh. So, ito na ba yung comeback mo, Sir Jared Odulio? Yung SCC ba yan? Yan ba yung shawarma channel? Hindi ko alam, basta. Food, ano siya, isang restaurant sa BF. Okay, so we have 60 live viewers now. We will start now. So of course, we will start now with PSEI. And ano ba itong mga dinrawing ko? Ayun! 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 Kaso parang hindi ko ata ito na screenshot eh. Sayang naman. Walang screenshot. So the last time I did a technical analysis on PSEI is around kailan yung December 21, which is around, let's do it daily. Yan, around here. So, nalagyan natin siya ng black horizontal bar. Then let's go down to the 1 hour chart. No? So, what I did is, the last time that I checked the PSEI index was nung this here. No? December 21, which is at this candle. So, I predicted na we would do some sort of A, B, C, D, E. Then, after reaching E, which we did reach E, we did pump. And ito yung arrow ko na go down. Right? Usually kasi after ng E, when the E ay nasa baba, tataas yan. Pero pag ang E ay nasa taas, pababa. So, of course, no, it followed my bullish prediction. No? So, yeah, anong current, so let's chart the PSEI, no? And what I'm seeing here is actually bearish out for the PSEI, because if you will count this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, around, yeah, parang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ganyan. So usually after a 5 waves going up, no, we would correct. Alright, yun yung nakikita ko for PSEI. Kasi, let's start with the weekly. So, for the weekly, there, right? Sabi ko guys, bearish na ako kay PSEI. Why? Kasi, this is on the weekly chart. And on the weekly chart, we can clearly see na we are in the overbought. But, that doesn't mean na we will go down na. Kasi tingnan dito, umabot yung overbought, but it kept climbing. No? It did, and it kept climbing. So, let's go to the daily time frame para mas makita natin in detail yung RSI. Right. So here on the RSI, this is my favorite pattern here. Whenever I see a head and shoulder, no, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right. Now, whenever I see that sa RSI, I would short the shit out of that stock. Pero wala kasing shorting sa PSEI. Boo! Right? So, you can't earn money when the price or the stock is going down. No? Unlike Bitcoin, you can earn whether it goes up or down. No? So, PSE, kamusta na? Kasi last year ko pa naririnig na mag-include kayo ng short selling. Pero, bakit wala pa rin? Filipino time ba tayo? Filipino time ba? Tangina. Pero joke lang guys, it's Friday. And yeah, ingat-ingat sa inuman and sa pag-drive. No, get a Grab or kailangan pala Uber. Or mag-taxi ka na lang pag uminom ka. Right? Sayang naman yung stocks na binili mo pag bigla ka na lang nawala. And yeah, I'm bearish kasi here we have a big bearish divergence. We created the higher high on the price action but a lower high here on the RSI, which means na the buyers or the bulls are slowly losing their strength or buying patterns, and the bears or the people who bought down below here are taking profit. So whenever they take profit, of course they sell, and when they sell, a price would go down. It's simple demand and supply. Pag maraming demand, the price would go up. But if there's not much demand, the price will go down. So, mm, yeah. Sige, screenshot natin to. Sayang naman eh. No, para may before and after tayo. Parang yung uso ngayon sa Facebook. Yung mga 10 years before and after. Screenshot. So yeah, after this live charting, I will post everything, no, every chart that I did on our Discord. And you can find our Discord group, no, here on my Risk Trader page. Nakapin post siya. And here, no, my Discord group is called Trader Circle, and this is the link. So when you click it, no, it sends you to a group chat. And as you can see, guys, we already have 1,786 members. I think I started this group around November or October. I'm not sure. But yeah, marami tayong magagaling na traders, no? And actually, they're posting their charts for free, their analysis for free, no? So if I can count, I think we have 2 to 3 PSE mentors and then more than 4 to 5 crypto mentors, right? So everything is free here, guys. Like sige, buksan natin yung group and then I will show you, no, kung ano yung makita nyo. Basically, we have a group, a segment for crypto, a segment for Philippine Stocks Exchange, a small segment for the Forex community, and also we have education segment. No? So here, no, we have in the education segment, we have ayun, mga charts that will teach you, mga contents that will teach you on how to trade. We also have books, no? Trading books. If you open this Google Drive, makikita mo, guys, wait, okay. Saglit lang. Anyways, tapos may videos din tayo, no, YouTube links on how to trade. And yeah, may mga chart on when to buy and when to sell. So, abusuhin nyo na to kasi libre naman siya eh. Diba? Next time, malay mo, hindi ko na siya gawin libre. Right? So, going back, I think tapos na tayo kay PSEI. Wow! We have 106 live viewers na. No? So, sa mga bagong sali, welcome! And it's Friday, guys. Happy weekend! So, JFC daw. Sama daw natin si JFC sa chart request. With pleasure. Yeah. You know, guys, sometimes, minsan, guys, kumakain ako sa Max Restaurant just to remind myself na ang sarap ng chicken ng Jollibee. No? Sometimes you have to taste the bad shit to know the good shit, and, you know, parang ano lang yan eh. Parang wala. Joke. Labo. Vita, do we have Vita? Yes, meron na po tayong Vita. So, guys, itong nakikita nyo here, this is the list of stock requests. Oh, may VLL. Wala pang VLL. ISM. ISM, Vita, GFC, Chib. May Chib lang. Ano yung Chib? Chibog? Chib. Pip, 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 pip. Pip, pip, PD, SDI, PLC. You have PLC? Yeah, I think, yeah. Meron tayong PLC. So, yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Kamusta New Year's resolution? Kamusta? Nagsimula na ba kayo? Ako, after Chinese New Year pa ako mag-start ng resolution, eh. Yes, Jomer Fraya. Sige, sama natin si FNI. Ah, dami na. Mukhang madedali yung Netflix and chill namin, ha. So, PCOR. What do we have for PCOR? Yeah, sige, let's... For sure kasi meron na akong chart na itong PCOR na to, eh. There. So, the last time I did PCOR is nung... What's this? Yeah, December 21 of 2018. And it's a weekly chart. So as you can see, no, we are still here acting as support. We have a bullish divergence here, right? But let's go on the dailies para makita natin. Yeah, so well, it's definitely showing some signs of momentum, no? Kasi we are having higher lows sa RSI, but then I think we can still fall a little bit, no? I think we can still fall a little bit before we start going up. So yeah, for PCOR, it's only natin 4 hours. So sa 4 hour, yeah, see, we have reached the oversold, but we haven't reached the overbought. So definitely have some room, no, to go up. Kasi currently this is acting as a good support zone, no. You can see that when the candles touch this red line, it bounced, touched, bounced, touched, bounced, and yeah, so it can still go down a little bit, no? Malit lang, not significant enough before it starts going up. Well, at least I hope, right? So if ever it does fall down, no, where will it find support? I'm guessing around here, no? So you can, so for PCOR, pwede na kayo bumili ngayon, no? And then add another when it reaches this next support zone, right? So this is the daily chart. It's either we go up here or we go down and then go up. After PCOR FNI, yes, Abs Escanio, meron na pong Vita sa chart request natin here. And PLC. Yep, meron na rin PLC. ATN Bull, wala pa ating ATN Bull. Right, so the next would be FNI. So for FNI, let's look at the weekly. Well, weekly looks interesting because tumama na po siya sa oversold, right? So let's try to draw some trend lines. And yeah, nabasag yung trend line support, no? We connected this bottom with this extend. It went down. So it doesn't look so good. Pero tingnan natin yung daily. Yeah, daily definitely showing some signs of momentum kasi higher lows sa RSI. So yeah, if you want, pwede naman na kayo bumili, no? Kasi kung makikita nyo guys, yung pagbagsak niya, no, from medyo sharp slowly, it looks like it wants to cross, no, cross up. So it's also a possibility. And so the next support, if this, so ngayon kasi guys, we have support here. But if that support doesn't hold, our next support would be around here. Right? Yeah. Anyway, tingnan natin 4 hours. A possible case is pwede ito maging inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This will be the head. And then ito yung right shoulder. No? So, when will I enter a trade? No? So, you enter a trade when this resistance is broken. Right? Para sigurado tayo na pataas na tayo. So, until then, I'll just let FNI be and then wait for a break above this before going long. So after FNI, this is the bullish scenario for FNI. Next for FNI CLC. Yeah, so for CLC, we found support sa loob ng green box, but then yun nga, I'm expecting it to go up, no, one more time before we head lower. So yeah, it's still going sideways. No? So when the market goes sideways, wala siyang definite trend, right? So if there's no trend, there's no friend, right? As the saying goes for trading, the trend is your friend. Go back. So yeah, I'm still bearish for CLC. Right. Yep, bearish for CLC, but let's check for hours. Yep, definitely bearish kasi, you know, for hours we are overbought, right? After CLC, CHP. Wow, 127 live viewers. Whoa, okay. Okay. Interesting. So, saan ang galing to? So, weekly, right? So, for the weekly chart of Cemex, shout out to Jared Odulio. Tapos, drawing din tayo ng resistance here. No? So, nag-drawing tayo ng trendline resistance sa RSI, right? And it looks like malapit yung natamaan yung resistance. And we also drew a resistance here, no? And it looks like we are near resistance. So, let's look at the daily. No? Daily is overbought. So, bearish. 4 hours is, yep, bearish. No? Higher high on the price action, but double top or lower high here on the RSI. Yeah, lower high. So, So I am bearish for CHP. But I'm always bearish for Jared Odulio. Hi, Bida Choi. He or she is watching from Richards Bay, South Africa, and it's currently 5:10 p.m. there. So, international na pala tayo, guys. International na. Shout out sa mga OFW dyan. After CHP, Vita. Ito ba yung Vitasoy na company, guys? Itong Vita. Sila ba may-ari ng Vitasoy? Right, so... Hi, Willie Calma. Sabi niya, he is watching from Bahrain. I don't know where that is, but all the best for you, bro. Thank you for tuning in, no, on a Friday night when you could be out and enjoying with your friends, no. So the chart request is PRMX. Never heard of that. Yeah. Well, medyo shock ako, guys, kasi Friday and we have 137 live viewers. Crazy. Kasi the last time I did an analysis on Friday, 30-40 lang nanood. Right? So, yeah, medyo overwhelming na ang dami nating live viewers ngayon. Si John Belen from Batangas area naman. Iba from Canada, UK. What's up? What's up? Japan! Damn. I'm so happy. Okay, so back to business. Vita is currently finding support in this. Crap. Anyway, sorry. I'm bullish for Vita, but then this is the weekly chart. So let's look at the daily chart. Daily chart. Daily chart. Bearish. Bearish on the daily. Sa mga tao or sa mga kababayan natin, mga kapuso, kapamilya, kadroga, joke, sorry. Mali. Kung may Vita kayo, benta nyo na, okay? Take those profit and enjoy it. Kasi if not, it's gonna go down. And okay, so this is the daily. The daily is showing us bearishness right here. So 4 hours, let's look at 4 hours for Vita. 4 hours still bearish, but sige, okay. May Vita chart ako ginawa nung December, so let's tingnan natin. There. So the last time I did, this is December 22 at 12 a.m. Ayan. So ayan, guys, I just wanna show you. Medyo throwback lang tayo. So itong Vita chart na to, ginawa ko siya nung December 6, and I predicted that we will go down inside the green box before we go up again, right? And fast forward to December 22, right? It did hit, or it did touch the green box, and it started a new trend going up. So currently, this is in December 22. Now let's look at the January 18 chart. And guys, tumaas siya. So, medyo nagugulan ako sa pattern niya, but I think possible pa. Okay, so sa mga Vita holders, or holders, do not sell your Vita, unless this green trend line or green support is broken, no? So once this is broken, guys, that's when you sell. Kasi I think, yeah, possible pa na tumaas tayo eh. Yeah, possible pa kasi na tumaas tong si Vita. Right? So, yeah, whenever Vita breaks this green trend line support, you sell it, take profit. So, yeah, you just connect this bottom with this two bottom, then i-extend nyo lang. No? So, sa mga nakapasok ng maaga, no, nung sinabi ko na we will find support here, congrats. Congrats. Sana na-enjoy yung Noche Buena. After Vita, Aji. Oh, Silver Bullets, watching from Zambales, from Saudi, from Dubai, saan pa? LA, Baguio. Etong girlfriend ko si Princess Maytan biglang nag-comment from Carbona, Cavite. Sabi ko, what? Meron pala akong fellow trader dito, yung pa rin girlfriend ko. Kasi kasama ko siya ngayon eh. Medyo ginagagawa tao nito. Kasi dapat nagne-Netflix and chill na kami, guys. Paparoon rin namin yung Lucifer. Kaso, sinabi ko na, babe, pwede mamaya na yung Netflix and chill natin. Kasi, na-miss ko na yung mga trader friends ko eh. Lalo na yung mga nasa PSE. Yun. Ito pinakapanalo eh. Si Onin Cisbreño. From New York, Cubao. New York Street sa Cubao. Well done, my friend. Oh, from Denmark naman. May Aji na ba tayo? Aji. Yeah. Mr. Denmark, we have Aji. So, yeah, actually, Aji na next. Oh. So, Michael Rivera, I'm pretty sure you requested the... So, Mr. Michael Rivera, I'm pretty sure you requested this chart request kasi nag-pump, no? And I'm sorry to say, pero medyo late na, no? Kasi, why? Let's go to the weekly. No, weekly, we are into overbought. So, whenever a price, no, is in the overbought territory, you do not go long, no? You do not. You do not buy when it's in the overbought. You buy when it's in the oversold, no? Like this one, oversold. So kung bumili ka dito, malamang sa malamang, nasakyan mo at nakakuha ka ng 30%. Right? So, well, if we draw a trend line resistance, medyo may breakout nga nangyari. But then, on the horizontal resistance, this is our horizontal resistance. So unless we break this, this is actually a pretty strong resistance. So if we do break this, then no magiging bullish. But yeah, let's go on the daily. Daily overbought. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna have a correction similar to this one. So Mr. Denmark, wait for it to correct. No? On the 4-hour, yeah, I think, yeah. Well, possible pa siya. I don't know pero mukhang napaka-bullish na ito Pero anyway, we are approaching a strong resistance zone, no? And it's mga 3% away na lang. So yeah, take profit now, no? And if hindi ka nakapasok sa dito, then huwag ka na pumasok ngayon, okay? Michael Rivera, I would say, if ako, this is not financial advice, if ako, I would sell it na. No, lalo na pag nakapasok ka naman maaga, di ba? Yeah, kasi kung titingnan mo from weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1 hour, it's already overbought. No, it's above 70. So, yeah, Take your profit, bro. Sell. 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 What else? After Agi, Costco. May Costco. Costco Capital. So weekly chart, I'm bearish, obviously, because we have reached the overbought, but we haven't reached the oversold. So, tingnan natin yung daily. Well, actually, yeah, no. Zup, Mark Aguila from Mindanao, Peter Prado from Dubai, Rex. Peter Prado, tapos na ba tayo kay Aba? Oh yeah, wala pa ata si Aba dito. So, this is the daily chart for Costco. And I don't know, it looks, yeah, I think it will do something like this. So weekly, this is bearish. Yep, daily, medyo, let's check the 4 hour. Medyo nalilito ako sa daily eh. Pero yeah, 4 hour, yep, I would say I'm bearish for Costco. Screenshot. Next is MPI. Hi, Lane Gracia from Bulacan. Oh, from Macau, from Doha, from SG. FLI? May FLI na ba tayo? I don't think so. Yeah. So, MPI, right? MPI. I'm pretty sure meron akong chart nitong MPI na to. So, the last time I did MPI is November 29, right? And I did this on the weekly chart and barabush. Barabush, it did. No? So, kung nakasakay kayo sa analysis ko last year, you would have at least made around 8%. No, not bad for a month or two. No. So yeah, I'm expecting it to do an ABC going up. No, this red box is for me a resistance zone where we will hit and then go down. That's my hula analysis, right? So let's look at the daily. Daily is in the overbought, so yeah, hindi mo na ako papasok dito, hindi mo na ako pipili. Actually, I would take profit, wait for it to go down here on the oversold, and then pasok ulit. It's also possible na we find support here. we find support around here. Right. This is a possibility. Go down here and then go up. Right. MPI. After MPI, SCC. Well, hindi nag-hold yung trade ko last time. So, let's check it again. So on a weekly, we are seeing a very obvious bullish divergence. Bullish divergence is whenever a price now creates a low, then a lower low, while the RSI creates a low, but here, nagkaroon siya ng higher low as opposed to this, mas mababa, pero dito sa RSI mas mataas. So it means na anytime soon, no, SCC can recover from its downtrend. But this might take a while because we're looking at the weekly chart. So on the daily chart, yeah, I think the best thing we can do is to wait for it to break this trend line resistance before you buy. No, kasi you're still currently in a downtrend and the trend is not with you. Kasi on PSE, you can only earn when it's going up, right? But SEC is still on a downtrend, so yeah, wait for the break above the red trend line resistance here. Right. Here, this one. So for me, when we reach this green box, that's when we will go up. Kasi this for me is a support based from past price action or candle actions. So after SCC, So yeah, wait, we are approaching a resistance zone. Weekly is overbought here. How about daily? Daily is bearish kasi this one, right? Well, this one. So yeah, take profit na guys. We are approaching a, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is A, B, C. So yeah, so this is my support zone for ICT. No, I am quite bearish na kasi daily and weekly is overbought and showing signs of weakness. 4 hours too, I'm pretty sure. There, see. So yeah, you can wait for this trend line to break or this trend line support to break bago kayo magbenta. Pero ako, I would sell it na. So, yeah, screenshot natin. There. So, after ICT, fan. Fan, bearish. Kasi, there you go. When you connect the top, no, it looks like we are approaching a resistance zone. Weekly is overbought. Daily is overbought with double top here. No. Support zone is around here. Let's get the Fibonacci. Yeah, around here. Yep, around here. The support zone is around inside here. After fan, SDI. Okay, so yeah, not much has changed. Now my target is still inside the red resistance zone. No. Weekly is looking good, but if you look at the daily, guys, yeah, we have reached the overbought, and mhm, yeah, for me, STI is a major long-term investment. No, kasi we're looking at weekly, but daily is oversold. week 4 hour is, yeah, so bullish ako kay ano, for so currently I'm seeing a head and shoulder here, right? This is the left shoulder, it's the head, this is the right shoulder, and I'm hoping it finds support here, right, before it goes up again. So this is what I'm seeing for STI. Up next, PLC. Mukhang maganda yung simula ng taon na ang daming nag-pump and is now, alam mo yun, yeah, take profit sa PLC because I already see a 5-wave structure going up here. Now, after 5, there's always a correction. And if you will look at it, this is a strong resistance zone actually. Now, let's make it red. So if this is our 5 waves going up, then I think, yeah, go down from here. After PLC, we have Double Dragon, Mr. Mang Inasal. Yes, Mr. John Kathana Penetrante from Cebu. We have ISM on the list. So Double Dragon, daily is so ngayon, meron tayo nakikitang signs of weaknesses based on RSI. And it's also possible na gagawa tayo ng head and shoulder. This would be the left shoulder, head, and then another right shoulder before we go down to find support here, and then maybe go up. Right. Around here. Yep, around there. So next is JFC. Jollibee, bidaang. Oh, Jollibee, mukhang may breakout. Here is the past resistance, right? And then, gawin natin siyang, yeah. So if you zoom in, no, Medyo nabasag na ni Jollibee yung resistance. Right. It broke through this. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, but yeah, for Jollibee, definitely will not buy now kasi daily is overbought. So I would give it some time to correct and find a better entry. Maybe I'll go in if it finds support inside the screen box. Right, I'll go in if they find support inside the screen box. Correction here, if it reaches here, I'll go in. But if I'm holding any, I'm gonna sell and take profit. Kasi, yeah, daily oversold, weekly is no, daily is oversold, 4 hours oversold, weekly is what? Weekly is also oversold. Right? 1 hour is also oversold. So next support zone. Support zone is around here. This is for JFC. After JFC, VLL. Whoop. Head and shoulders. Whenever you see a head and shoulder, it's a bearish pattern, right? But hindi all the time gumagana. But the chances are it will. Right? So so for VLL, it's like, yeah, I'm bearish. ISM, ISM, ISM. So for ISM, I think the best thing to do now is do this. Connect this bottom to this bottom, this bottom, this bottom, extend. So currently, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga maliliit na wick, right? But at the same time, we are reaching the oversold. No, we have actually reached the oversold na for ISM on the 1 hour chart. So yeah, paano ba to? Yep, definitely bearish. Daily is bearish. 4 hours. Tingnan natin 4 hours. 4 hours is bearish too. Buti lang hindi yung iMessage. Yep. After ISM, Chibog. Stop loss hit. But let's go weekly. Weekly looks bullish. Daily bearish. No trade zone muna ako kay Chib kasi yeah, mukhang babagsak pa siya konti. Pero yeah, long term wise guys, I am bullish on Chib. Kasi weekly chart, we are in the oversold and yeah, whenever we reach oversold, yan yun. Look at the reaction, right? Not all the time, but when you reach this low, no, most of the time when you reach this low, you recover. So yeah, after chip, BIP, ATM. Pepsi, naalala ko sila Vic Soto, tsaka sino isa? Kasi isa pang Soto na senator. Ano yun? Pepsi Paloma case. So for PIP, it's going sideways guys. Wala siyang definite trend. But yeah, bearish. Bearish for Pepsi Cola. We have reached the overbought but haven't reached the oversold. So pero for mga long term, no, Pepsi Cola I think is, well, hindi niya pa kasi nababasag. So no trade zone for Pepsi. Weekly is looking good kasi here, no, lower low, but low, and then higher low. Right, bullish divergence. So yeah, PIP, ATN. Yep, ATN is bearish. Sobrang obvious na bearish kasi higher high, based on the candle's body, but a lower high here. So yeah, it is. My analysis is we do something like this: find support inside this green box. Find support in the green box before that, right? Bearish on ATN, bull. Bull is also heading sideways, guys. I'm sorry, pero yeah, at least the RSI is showing us na we are gaining momentum, right? The RSI, yeah. But the price action is going sideways. So maybe we find support here before we go up, no? But until then, yeah, no trade zone for me here. After bull, FNI. Gusto niyan eh. Sideways. Yeah, medyo, yeah, it's going sideways. Maybe good idea if nag-find siya ng support here. No. If it does find support here, then most likely we go up. There you go. Bearish. I'm bearish on ECP simply because we have reached the oversold here, but hindi pa tayo tumatama sa overbought here, but hindi pa tayo tumatama sa oversold. So, natin 4 hours. Yeah, sideways. Sideways. No, possible din na gumagawa tayo ng bull flag. Right? It's also possible kasi this is the pole and this is the flag, and usually a flag is a bullish. No? But until then, yeah, daily looks bearish. Yeah, it looks bearish. Yep. No trade zone for ECP. Well, pretty sure my web analysis ako here. So yeah, last time I did web, we went on to the 4-hour. And like I said, kung nabasag itong nasa taas, you go long. Pag nabasag to, you sell. So obviously, we're gonna compare, right? I gave you 2 scenarios. Sabi ko pag nabasag tong red, you go up. Yung red sa taas. Now you buy. And it did, no? And it did a good 22% in how many days? Let's see. So when it broke out of here, it did a good around 24% in 6 days. No. And now, so sana nakapag-take profit kayo, no? Yung mga nakasakay, right? So I'm just gonna copy this. Saglit lang, guys. After web, we have ABBA. Well, nagkamali ako ng bilang. So, mali ang analysis ko here. Kasi, we broke up. But, weekly. Let's see weekly. Mukhang bullish si ABBA. Yep, but ang gulo. Ang gulo. Well, RSI is showing that we have reached the oversold. No, so, guys, if you wanna buy ABBA, hintayin nyo mabasag tong trend line resistance. Okay. If it breaks, goes up. Then we have flea. Whoa. Let's see. Well, this was a previous support, no, here. But then, nung nabasag itong support, this might act as a resistance. So, daily, we are in the oversold. Grabe itong pump, actually. This caught me off guard. Yeah. So, daily, usually, pag nangyari na to, guys, you're already too late. So, huwag nyo nang sakyan. Oh, crap. Naubusan ng battery mo. So, anyway. Mano-mano. Yeah, so daily 4 hour, 1 hour overbought. Huwag na kayong sumakay, guys. Huwag nyo nang pilitin kasi yeah, it's too late. But if nakapasok kayo, congrats. No, take profit na, guys. Kasi tingnan dito. No, we are currently facing a resistance here based from past RSI. So, ito yung resistance last time. And we are nearing resistance na sa RSI. And you look, when it reached here, no, it went up here, then it dumped. So, huwag nyo hintayin mangyari tong dump na to, no. Take your profit, be content. Right. Or you can just wait, no. Maghintay kayo na may makita kayong ganito. Mahabang wick sa taas bago kayo magbenta. Right? Tulad here. Ayun, no, marami rin siyang wick sa taas bago siya bumagsak. And currently, wala pa naman tayo nakikitang wick. No? So, yeah, I changed my mind. Wait for a long wick on the upside before you sell. For Philinvest land. You're welcome, Tong Ata. And then last, RCI. So for RCI, Rojas. Kay Mar Rojas ba to? Kasi kung kay Mar Rojas to, hindi ko na to gagawa ng analysis. De, joke lang. Ayun guys, so tulad kanina sa Philinvest, no, sa Flea, hintayin nyo may makita kayong gantong mahabang wick bago kayo magbenta. But then again, no, minsan yung wick, yeah. So I don't know, it's up to you, take profit. Kasi actually it's a good time to take profit na eh. Don't wait for this. No? Kasi when you wait for this, tingnan nyo kung ilang percent yung na-wipe off sa potential profit nyo. It wiped off 13% before nalaman ng iba na bearish dahil so weak, right? So for RCI, let's go to the weekly. And weekly is saying we are in the oversold, right? But let's look at the daily. Daily, yeah, kahit pa paano, it's looking good kasi no, higher lows for the RSI means we are gaining momentum, and there's a good chance now we can go up. No, the price would go up. But when? No, have we found a good support? No. Well, if you look at the past, no, this whole area is actually a support zone up to here, right? So yeah, buy near support, sell near resistance. We are in a good support zone. RSI is showing us good indicators, good indication. No. So ayun guys, that's it for tonight. I'm sorry I cannot take more chart requests kasi I have to spend some quality time with Princess, no? And dapat kanina pa namin pinapanood yung Lucifer sa Netflix, but I decided now, why not give you guys an end of the week analysis before we do it. No? So yeah, I'm just staying home tonight, no parties. So sa mga lalabas, please don't drink and drive. get a grab. No? And yeah, this is Risk Trader signing out. Happy weekend. Have fun. And of course, take care. Good night, guys. And thank you sa lahat ng nag-tune in. Umabot tayo ng 130 plus live viewers. No? Yeah, that's overwhelming. So, 150 actually. Sorry, I stand corrected by Princess. So guys, see you maybe on Monday. Baka Sunday, pag ginanahan ako, I'll do another live sa mga hindi nakapag-tune in. Right? So, that's it. Once again, good night and have a happy weekend.